My name is Catherine Korsh. I am a 3L student at Cardozo Law in New York, and I am an extern at Adam Leitman Bailey, PC. I initially heard about Adam Leitman Bailey, PC when he was hired as an attorney on a case in my community. I heard that he is a fierce attorney, a great litigator, a strong attorney, and I knew that that's where I wanted to work. As an extern at Adam Leitman Bailey, PC, I'm given various tasks every week that I'm here. Tasks include research assignments, drafting court documents such as summons and complaints, filing documents, and doing due diligence. The day-to-day at Adam Leitman Bailey is different. You never know what to expect, which is interesting. You get new cases, you get different types of tasks, so you're always on your toes, you're practicing different skills, and it's a great learning environment. Very collaborative, everyone is very willing to help students, everyone is encouraging of questions. You can always knock on anyone's door. There's an open door policy here. Everyone is very helpful. What I really loved about working at Adam Leitman Bailey PC is the substance of the work that you get here. I've worked in various firms where sometimes you're not really working on real cases, you're just working on tasks, whereas here the attorneys really trust you to help them with the actual cases that they're currently working on, and you feel like you're a part of the team. A lot of the work that you get here, you feel like you are a real attorney. You get independence in the sense that you can take on the assignment and work on it from A to Z all by yourself. Of course, asking all the necessary questions, but you are trusted here. You are a trusted adult. You are not babied, as opposed to in a lot of other internships where they don't necessarily trust you with real work. You're trusted more as a student versus an attorney, and here you really feel like you're a full attorney. Working with various attorneys here was not only a rewarding experience, but it was also really easy to find different types of work. You can walk into any office and ask a partner, an associate, to help them with work, and they're always willing to give you work or to have you help them with something they are currently working on, which is what I really loved about working here. Working during a global pandemic has definitely had its challenges in my previous experiences, but at Adam Leitman Bailey PC, the firm has really focused on making this experience as normal as possible. Although we have different COVID regulations, all the attorneys are in the office. You can speak to any attorney, whether it's in person, over email, over the phone. So the pandemic has not really affected the efficiency of the work here, and I really enjoyed that. Doing work at Adam Leitman Bailey PC has really taught me how to ask the right questions, more pointed questions. It has given me the basic foundations of real estate law. So when I open a document now, I know exactly what I should be looking for. Although I may not know exactly what to do, I know how to approach an attorney and how to ask them where to go next with the assignment. The most important skill set in the course of this job, or really any job, is knowing why you are doing a certain assignment rather than just doing something because you are assigned this task. Knowing why you're doing something gives you the background to really dive deeper into the details, to provide better analysis, to provide stronger analysis when you are writing a document where you need to persuade the party. Clients come to Adam Leitman Bailey PC because of the personalized approach the attorneys take here, whereas in bigger firms, you get a team of attorneys and you don't necessarily know everyone who's working on your case. Here, you know who you're working on. You will hear from the attorney, they will follow up with you. You will always be in the loop about what's going on. And I think big clients really appreciate that, and that's not something you can get in other firms. Client relations is significantly emphasized here. Clients are always communicating with the attorneys. Clients are happy to call with questions. There's this open door of communication, which is another reason I believe clients really love working with Adam Leitman Bailey PC. My favorite practice area is probably landlord-tenant because it's very client-facing. Although real estate law has various practice areas, in landlord-tenant, you really have the ability to meet with your clients, discuss the issues, and work from there. Although I really enjoyed all the research assignments that I've done, I think the most useful and rewarding experience has been drafting a summons and complaint from scratch, because it's something that I've never done before. It's not something you learn in law school. No one really sits down and teaches you how to do that, and I had that opportunity here. When I came to Adam Leitman Bailey PC, I knew I wanted to do real estate law, but I've never had experience in it. So I was very open to learning and to asking questions. I didn't want to appear as if I was an expert in the area. And I think that's what helped me in the course of my externship, because I was learning from beginning to end, and the ability to ask those questions helped me become better throughout the course of the internship. My advice to any extern at Adam Leitman Bailey would be to take on as many different types of assignments that you possibly can, because you never know what you end up enjoying. You might really surprise yourself. And that's the best way to figure out what you want to do, even if you know you want to do real estate law. I'd say pick Adam Leitman Bailey PC, because when you come here, you are really going to learn. You are going to have a mentor. You will have people that you can ask questions. You will have people who you can depend on to give you not only good answers, but to provide you with the necessary guidance, not just for your career as an extern at Adam Leitman Bailey PC, but as a lawyer in general, wherever you may end up.